Today we are talking about GS1028. Let's take a look at its features. Let's enjoy its performance at work. The harvesting and conveying system adapts the classical structure, mature and stable, and the elastic picking tooth improves the harvesting ability of the lodging crops. The overall structure of the machine is reasonable, and the service life is long. The quality standard of belt, bearing, and other wearing parts is the same as that of world-class brands. The accessories are universal. The whole vehicle adapts LED lamp, which has high brightness, low energy consumption, and long service life. One-button start button, waterproof grade IP66, dustproof grade IK09. Multifunction instrument can easily display the working state of the machine. Power. 88 HP inline water-cooled turbocharged engine is a perfect combination of full power and fuel economy. The volume is 1.4 cubic meters, and the reserve capacity is strong. Fuel tank. 85 110-liter large fuel tank is selected to provide sufficient fuel reserve. Exhaust pipe. Upper exhaust pipe to reduce the potential safety hazard of straw fire. "24-volt voltage is used to reduce the rated current of the system and improve the stability and life of the system." Crawler. 500 by 53 by 90 specification, 1.71 square meter grounding area, 19.8 kilopascal grounding pressure, good traceability of rotten field. Roller. It adapts classic structure, mature and stable, and has strong versatility. Lifting system. The minimum ground clearance of the machine is 275 to 385 mm, and the height is consistent with the different characteristics of dry season and rainy season. In dry season, low chassis state is selected to ensure the low center of gravity and smooth walking of the machine. In rainy season, it can be increased by 11 centimeters, which is conducive to preventing sinking and extricating from difficulties. 270-degree high-position grain unloading system to improve the convenience of grain unloading. The threshing and cleaning system adopts the classical longitudinal axial flow structure, which is mature and stable, and the angle of grass guide plate is adjustable. Gearbox. Classic DC-70 gearbox, high strength, good versatility of accessories. Large displacement HST, 45 milliliters per ride HST, strong power transmission capacity.